The Tools. 5 tools to help you find courage, creativity, and willpower, and inspire you to live life in forward motion, is a self-help book written by Phil Stutz and Barry Mickles. The book was first published in 2012 and has become popular among readers looking to improve their personal and professional lives. The book introduces 5 psychological tools that the authors believe can help readers overcome fear, procrastination, self-doubt, and other obstacles to achieving their goals. These tools include the reversal of desire, active love, inner authority, the grateful flow, and jeopardy. Each tool is explained in detail and is accompanied by anecdotes and examples from the author's experiences as therapists. The authors encourage readers to practice these tools regularly to improve their mental and emotional states and achieve their desired outcomes. The reversal of desire is the first tool introduced in the book and focuses on identifying and reversing negative thought patterns. According to the authors, many people experience negative thoughts and desires that prevent them from achieving their goals. By recognizing these patterns and consciously reversing them, readers can gain more control over their lives and achieve greater success. Active love is the second tool and emphasizes the importance of actively choosing to love and connect with others, even in difficult or stressful situations. The authors argue that by choosing to love and connect with others, readers can tap into a powerful source of motivation and inspiration that can help them overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Inner authority is the third tool and focuses on cultivating a sense of inner strength and confidence. The authors suggest that many people rely too heavily on external sources of validation and approval, which can lead to feelings of anxiety and insecurity. By developing a strong sense of inner authority, readers can learn to trust themselves and make decisions that align with their values and goals. The grateful flow is the fourth tool and encourages readers to focus on gratitude and positive thinking. The authors argue that by consciously focusing on the positive aspects of their lives, readers can cultivate a sense of abundance and attract more positive experiences into their lives. In addition to the 5 tools, the tools also explore several other key concepts related to personal growth and development. For example, the book emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for one's own life and choices. The authors argue that by recognizing and accepting responsibility for one's own thoughts, feelings, and actions, readers can gain greater control over their lives and achieve greater success. Another key concept explored in the book is the idea of the shadow self. The authors suggest that many people have a shadow self, a hidden part of themselves that is characterized by negative emotions and impulses. By recognizing and integrating this shadow self, readers can learn to accept and understand themselves more fully, ultimately leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. The tools also offers practical advice for dealing with common obstacles to personal growth, such as fear, procrastination, and self-doubt. The authors suggest a variety of strategies for overcoming these obstacles, including visualization exercises, goal-setting techniques, and mindfulness practices. One of the unique aspects of The Tools is that it was written by 2 practicing therapists, Phil Stutz and Barry Mickles. The authors draw upon their years of experience working with clients to offer practical advice and real-life examples of how the tools can be applied in various situations. The book also emphasizes the importance of taking action, rather than simply reading or thinking about personal growth and development. The authors encourage readers to practice the tools regularly and to take risks in their lives, even if they are afraid or unsure of the outcome. Additionally, The Tools offers a holistic approach to personal growth and development, recognizing that the mind, body, and spirit are all interconnected. The authors suggest a variety of practices, such as exercise, meditation, and creative expression, for achieving greater balance and well-being in all areas of life. Finally, the book is written in a clear and accessible style that makes it easy to understand and apply the concepts and tools presented. The authors use real-life examples and anecdotes to illustrate their points, making the book engaging and relatable for readers. The Tools has received widespread praise from readers and critics alike for its unique approach to personal growth and development. The book has been hailed as a game changer by many readers, who credit the tools and strategies presented in the book with helping them overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. The authors have also been praised for their compassionate and empathetic approach to therapy and personal growth. Rather than offering quick-fix solutions or one-size-fits-all advice, Stutz and Mickles emphasize the importance of understanding each individual's unique challenges and circumstances. The book has also been praised for its practical and actionable advice, which readers can apply immediately to their own lives. Many readers have reported significant improvements in their mental and emotional well-being as a result of practicing the tools presented in the book. In addition to the book itself, Stutz and Mickles offer workshops and coaching services to help readers deepen their understanding and practice of the tools. This has further contributed to the book's popularity and impact among readers seeking personal growth and development. The Tools has also been praised for its relevance and applicability to a wide range of audiences, from individuals struggling with personal challenges to professionals seeking to enhance their effectiveness in their careers. Many readers have reported that the tools have helped them to overcome various obstacles, including depression, anxiety, self-doubt, and procrastination. The author's compassionate and empathetic approach has been particularly helpful for readers who have struggled with mental health issues and emotional trauma. In addition, the book has been praised for its usefulness in a variety of professional settings. The tools and strategies presented in the book have been applied by business leaders, educators, and healthcare professionals to enhance their effectiveness and achieve their goals. The Tools has also been influential in the field of psychology and personal growth, inspiring other authors and practitioners to explore new approaches and strategies for helping individuals achieve their full potential. The Tools has also been praised for its emphasis on taking action and making real changes in one's life. The authors encourage readers to take risks, face their fears, and step outside of their comfort zones in order to achieve their goals and live a more fulfilling life. In addition, the book provides a roadmap for readers to develop a stronger sense of purpose and meaning in their lives. The authors emphasize the importance of understanding one's core values and beliefs, and aligning one's actions and goals with these values in order to achieve greater fulfillment and satisfaction. The book has also been influential in promoting a more holistic approach to personal growth and development. The authors encourage readers to focus on all aspects of their well-being, including physical, mental, and emotional health, as well as their relationships and spiritual life. Another aspect of The Tools that has contributed to its popularity is the author's willingness to share their own personal experiences and less. Throughout the book, Stutz and Mickles offer candid and relatable anecdotes about their own journeys towards personal growth and development, which helps readers to feel less alone in their own struggles. The author's humility and vulnerability have also been praised by readers and critics alike, as it creates a sense of trust and authenticity that is often lacking in self-help and personal growth literature. The Tools has also been influential in promoting a more spiritual approach to personal growth and development, without being tied to any specific religious tradition. The authors emphasize the importance of cultivating a sense of connection to something greater than oneself, whether it be a higher power, nature, or simply a sense of purpose and meaning. Finally, The Tools has been praised for its practicality and accessibility. The tools and strategies presented in the book are straightforward and easy to understand, and can be applied to a wide range of challenges and circumstances. The authors also provide clear instructions for how to use each tool, and offer tips for integrating the tools into one's daily life. One more aspect that has contributed to the success of The Tools is its emphasis on the power of relationships and community in personal growth and development. The authors emphasize the importance of seeking support from others, whether it be through therapy, support groups, or close relationships. In addition, the book encourages readers to develop deeper connections with others by practicing empathy, vulnerability, and active listening. The authors argue that strong relationships and community connections are essential for achieving greater fulfillment and satisfaction in life. Finally, The Tools has been influential in promoting a more proactive approach to personal growth and development. rather than waiting for external circumstances to change. The authors encourage readers to take ownership of their lives and make changes from within. By cultivating a sense of agency and personal responsibility, readers can achieve greater resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. Another aspect of The Tools that has contributed to its popularity is its focus on helping readers identify and overcome limiting beliefs and behaviors. The authors argue that many people are held back in life by negative patterns of thought and behavior that prevent them from achieving their goals and living up to their full potential. To overcome these limitations, the authors provide a set of tools and strategies that help readers to identify and challenge their negative thought patterns, and develop more positive and empowering beliefs and behaviors. These tools include visualization, journaling, and other techniques designed to help readers reframe their thinking and overcome self-doubt and other forms of resistance. The authors also emphasize the importance of taking action and pushing oneself outside of one's comfort zone in order to achieve personal growth and development. They argue that by embracing discomfort and taking calculated risks, readers can learn to overcome their fears and achieve their goals. Finally, The Tools has been influential in promoting a more holistic approach to personal growth and development that takes into account the interconnected nature of mind, body, and spirit. The authors emphasize the importance of nurturing all aspects of one's well-being, including physical health, mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health, in order to achieve greater fulfillment and satisfaction in life. Another important aspect of The Tools is its emphasis on the power of mindfulness in personal growth and development. The authors argue that by cultivating a greater sense of presence and awareness in the present moment, readers can overcome negative thought patterns and behaviors, and develop a greater sense of clarity and purpose in life. To help readers cultivate mindfulness, the authors provide a variety of tools and techniques, including meditation, visualization, and breathwork. These practices are designed to help readers cultivate a greater sense of calm and focus, and to develop a more compassionate and non-judgmental relationship with their thoughts and emotions. The authors also emphasize the importance of self-compassion in personal growth and development. They argue that many people are held back in life by self-criticism and negative self-talk, and that by cultivating a greater sense of self-compassion, readers can learn to be more forgiving and accepting of themselves, and to move past their mistakes and failures with greater ease. Another important aspect of The Tools is its emphasis on the power of creativity and imagination in personal growth and development. The authors argue that by tapping into one's creativity and imagination, readers can unlock new possibilities and perspectives, and develop a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. To help readers cultivate their creativity and imagination, the authors provide a variety of tools and techniques, including visualization, dream analysis, and creative expression. These practices are designed to help readers tap into their subconscious mind and access new insights and ideas. The authors also emphasize the importance of taking a proactive approach to personal growth and development, rather than waiting for external circumstances to change. They argue that by cultivating a sense of agency and personal responsibility, readers can take control of their lives and create the kind of future they want to see. Another important aspect of The Tools is its emphasis on the power of relationships in personal growth and development. The authors argue that many people are held back in life by negative relationship patterns, and that by learning to cultivate healthy and supportive relationships, readers can overcome these limitations and achieve greater fulfillment and success in life. To help readers cultivate healthier relationships, the authors provide a variety of tools and techniques, including boundary setting, conflict resolution, and communication skills. These practices are designed to help readers build stronger and more fulfilling relationships with others, while also cultivating a greater sense of self-awareness and self-respect. The authors also emphasize the importance of cultivating a sense of purpose and meaning in life, and argue that by aligning one's goals and values with one's greater purpose, readers can find greater fulfillment and satisfaction in life. They provide a variety of tools and techniques to help readers identify their purpose and values, and to align their daily actions with these larger goals. Another key aspect of The Tools is its practicality and accessibility. The authors recognize that personal growth and development can often feel overwhelming and daunting, and that many people may not know where to begin. To address this, they provide a variety of simple and actionable tools and techniques that readers can start using immediately. The authors also emphasize the importance of regular practice and commitment in personal growth and development. They encourage readers to make a daily practice of using the tools and techniques provided in the book, and to be patient and persistent in their efforts to cultivate greater awareness, compassion, and purpose in life. Furthermore, the tools has been influential in promoting a more integrative approach to personal growth and development that recognizes the interconnected nature of various tools and techniques. The authors encourage readers to use a variety of tools and techniques in combination, rather than relying on a single approach or quick fix. Finally, the tools has been praised for its engaging and relatable writing style. The authors use real-life examples and anecdotes to illustrate their points, making the book accessible and relatable to readers from all walks of life. Overall, the tools has had a significant impact on readers seeking practical and accessible guidance for personal growth and development. The book's emphasis on daily practice, integrative approaches, and engaging writing style has made it a popular and influential guide for anyone seeking to improve their lives in meaningful ways.